Let's talk about Gitika's coffee era, where she's a barista before every shoot because that pre-shoot caffeine kick just hits different. Meet the Kuchenbau espresso coffee machine. It's sleek, minimal and designed for people who take their coffee as seriously as their day. Now you can be your own barista and experiment right at home, from a smooth espresso shot to that perfect latte. For her, it's not just coffee, it's a little ritual that sets the tone before every shoot. Espresso shots and confidence? Both served hot,